In this video, I want to show you how to print a label using your Brother QL-820NWB and your phone. Could be an Android or an iPhone. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. So let me show you how this is done. From the main menu of the printer, you're going to press Menu. Press the down arrow a few times until you get to WLAN. Press OK. Now we need to activate the Wi-Fi of the machine. So press OK and turn it on by pressing the up arrow to select on and then OK to confirm. Great. Now the Wi-Fi is turned on. Press OK. You're going to go down a few steps down until you get to infra manual setting. Press OK and the printer will start searching for all the Wi-Fi networks that are around it. Give it a few seconds. It has found a few networks. You can browse them using the up and down arrow. Once you have found yours, highlight it and press OK. It's time to type the password. Now there's no keyboard, so you'll have to use the arrows up and down, and every time you select a character, a letter, a number that you wish, press OK. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Now it's important to notice that on the top, capital letters is selected. If you want to type a letter that is lowercase, a number, you'll need to press the menu button and you'll switch between lowercase, numbers, symbols, and capital letters. So it's easier this way. At the end, you simply have to press OK again. OK after confirming that this is the password you want to enter, and it will connect. Now you need to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for the Brother iPrint and Label. This is the app that needs to be downloaded. On the App Store, Brother makes other apps for label printers, but these are not compatible with the device that you have over there. It's only the Brother and iPrint and Label app. So I'll go ahead and download it. Open the app. Go down, press OK, and now select the printer model you have over here. This is the QL-820NWB, so I'll go ahead, go down, QL, it's right over here, the last one. The phone and the printer needs to be both connected to the same Wi-Fi network if you want this to work. So basically how this app works is that it has many different templates and you have the titles on the top, so addresses, many different ways on how to display this. If you want shipping labels, orders, I mean, there's so many things that can be printed and you have templates that you can edit and put your own information in them. You can also use a pre-made design in case this is what you want to print. So let me select a template that I wish to print. This label printer currently, by the way, has a 62 millimeters by 5 meters roll. So these will fit really well. These are 17 millimeters by 54 millimeters. But if you check other ones, this is 38 millimeters, so it will really depend which paper you have inserted there. I'll select this one. You can edit simply by double tapping and typing something else instead of what is there. You can also move, as you just saw, each element in case you want to create a different design. At the end, you can save this, so you can print it in the future, or you can press the print button over here. You're going to notice that under printer, okay, with your model name, it may say not connected. So tap and you're going to see some pop-up windows appearing. Press allow while using the app. Your printer should appear under Wi-Fi. If it's not appearing, what I suggest is that you press done and you press on not connected again, and the app will start searching for every labeled printer that are compatible and are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So my printer should appear again right over there. Here we go. So tap on your printer. Now it may bring you to the broader website. Thank you for purchasing a product. Again, if it's the first time you have connected, you simply have to go back on the app. And now you see the printer is actually detected. Then we have a few different things that you can change. High resolution, yes or no. I suggest you put it, honestly. It'll just give you better result. It may take a bit more time to print. That's the only trade-off. How many copies do you want? And if you want the printer to cut, in case you have one of these rolls that is continuous, to cut automatically the label, and this is what I want. Press the print button. Now if you get this message, the roll of labels or tape inside the machine doesn't match the one selected in the application. You simply have to go down below, tap, check media, press done, press print, print again. And now it will work. If I take the paper that just got printed, it looks just like this. Now let me show you how to print a custom label and not having to rely on these templates. And I'll go ahead and select new label. It will give you a blank label and you can start writing things, but this is not what I want to show you. If you press the plus icon over here and then select image, you can select take photo with the camera, but probably you don't want that, or select from album, and this is what I will tap. And then select the label that you have on your phone. This is a custom label I have created on my computer and I have sent it to my phone. Press done to select it and it will be put on the label you see. If you're not happy with how it looks, go over here, tap, check media, done. And now the design you're trying to print will be better matched with the paper you have inserted. So at this point, you simply have to press again the print button. Press print. And our label has been printed. As you see, it has the color red because this paper is compatible with the red color, and over here, my label also had the red color when I have selected it, although it's showing a black and white preview. So this is about it. This is how you can print using your phone and your broader label printer. If my tutorial was helpful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links, where I have put links towards many different types of paper that are compatible with this specific model, and usually on Amazon is also cheaper. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.